Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we will learn the keyboard shortcuts of our YouTube videos. And these keyboard shortcuts will help you to do more in less time while watching a video. Suppose friends, you will press J, J will rewind 10 seconds. L will fast forward 10 seconds. M will mute and unmute the videos. If you press space bar or K, it will pause or play the videos. And if you use the numbered key, suppose if you press 1, it will quickly skip to part of the video. Pressing 1 will take you 10% into the video, pressing 2 20%, pressing 3 30%, pressing 7 will take you to 70% into the video, and if you press 0, it will restart the video. So friends, let's start and see practical. So friends, you can check it out, and thank you for watching this video.